Is it possible to connect brains with computers directly? Is it possible to write 40 words per minute without typing but by just thinking? Hey guys, welcome back to Nur AI. This is Neha Attara and today we are going to talk about Neuralink. So what is Neuralink? Let's separate both words neural and link. Neural means something which is related to our nervous system, which is used to pass message or information to our brain. Link is something which we already know is to connect one or more things together. So in this case, what we are going to connect? We are going to connect brain and computer. And this is what a device known as Neuralink. So this device is nothing but a company founded by the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla by Elon Musk in 2016, and it was publicly announced in 2017.
With the abilities of Neuralink, human brains will be more powerful and have abilities in many different ways. According to Elon Musk, with the help of this brain-machine interface chip, humans would be able to give tough competitions to future AI robots. We have already seen this kind of things in sci-fi movies, but just imagine this could be real. Yes. This Neuralink device will convert a human into cyborg, means a human with some mechanical parts in it. This chip will be installed with the help of sieving robot, and one chip contains around 1024 electrodes under the observation of neurosurgeons. In future, every human will have supercomputers in their brain, which will be connected with our nervous system. Human can control any machine with just think. So it is possible to write 40 words per minute without typing or writing. We people will just imagine the work and it will be done by the power of thought. Neuralink initial goal is to help patients who have anxiety disorders or any spinal cord injuries. And in future, our brain will have alerts also about the illness before we get ill. And it will also repair the defects of our body. In today's time, to get information about our health, we have to depend on medical tests. But in future, our brain will have continuously scan of our whole body. And you know what? What is the most amazing part about Neuralink for especially youngsters? In future, people can delete their bad memories by downloading brain in computers and also can save the most beautiful memory forever. And also, we can send messages from our brain to transmit information brain to brain will be possible. As it seems very excited and amazing, but it is dangerous too. If Neuralink gets successful, students like us who give their more than 15 years in studies in schools and colleges will be able to gain the same knowledge by spending few hours only.
Let's talk about its surprising results. It has already tested on monkey and it gives the result that monkey can control the computer with its brain. And they are seeking for the approval of human testing, which will be first tested on patient's skin.